Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S11 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list. Find it in the list of all apps. Here, find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it and tap on edit. So here we can either choose the profile card or contact card and the profile picture. So let me focus on the profile picture. Of course, you can set the photo right here in this card. It's completely up to you. I will just pick the picture. So here we've got different sections. We can choose something from the camera. We can tap on the camera and your device will open the camera app so you can take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. You can choose something from the gallery, so from your previously taken photos. Here you can create the avatar and here you've got different options. Let me tap on this plus icon. As you can see, you can pick, let's say, pre-installed pictures which are connected with people, with animals, plants, or nature, basically, kind of emojis. And here are additional options. So let me choose maybe this one. So just tap on it and it will be immediately applied right here. However, I'm not showing you the full potential of this section because let me choose something from the gallery. Maybe not. Let me just take a photo of something. So I'll be able to show you how to frame the picture because that's might be quite tricky. Depends. All right, let me just do it. Okay, so we've taken a photo, so just tap on OK to confirm. And now in this step, which is not available when you will choose the avatar, you can change the position of this highlighted circle. You can also zoom in or out the photo. And thanks to it, you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to. You can also change the size of it and then tap on done. Now let's tap on save and tap on save. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.